Do you know the UPSC Personality Test accounts for 275 marks and could be the defining moment of your civil services journey? But are you confident enough to face this final hurdle? Turn uncertainty into confidence with the VisionIAS Personality Development Program, meticulously designed to help you ace this critical stage. Here's how we prepare you for success. Decode your detailed application form with senior experts to prepare for potential questions. Experience realistic simulations with mock interviews by ex-bureaucrats. Stay updated on trending topics and present them effectively. Refine articulation, tone, and presentation with elocution classes. Engage with toppers and serving officers who share their experiences and provide the motivation to help you stand out. This is your moment to shine. Admissions are now open for UPSC Mains 2024 qualified students.